What's good? What's good? Welcome to Song Lifestyle, man. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, everything. God bless to the world. God bless to y'all to wake up for another day. Look at this, y'all. Now, I mean, y'all know Storm, a band dog, a gray Stafford Terrier, and Pocket Bully. We got the Pocket Bully, band dog, gray Stafford Terrier. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's a boy. That's a boy. You know Storm is a female. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, y'all. Look at this, y'all. They all eating grass. They're all eating grass. Look at this, y'all. Oh, there you go, Took. You always gotta mess with me. Right, Took? You always gotta mess with me, Took. You love me, huh, Took? You love me, Took. You love me? You love me? You love me? You love me? Yes, you do love me. Yes, you do love me. Look at that. Look at them right there. Look. Yo, Took. Yo, Took. Come on, Took. Let's go. We out, right? We out? We out. We out. Come on. Oh. Come on. We out. Let's go. Dog packs. Come on. Come on. Look at Took little ass legs. He got a little leg, but he run fast, though. Yo, Smoke. Smoke, come on. Come on, Smoke. Come on, Smoke. Smoke, come on. Look at them right there. Look at them. Stop drinking that water. See? Get me from that water. He's not my dog, but you know. Leave the water alone. Stop being nasty. Nasty dog. Crazy. Look at that. Remember, guys, gray Stafford Terrier. Everybody call it so-called blue nose. That's not blue nose pit. That's not pit. That's a gray Stafford Terrier. That's not a pocket pit. That's a pocket bully. Pocket bully. That's not red nose pit. That's a band dog. So you got gray Stafford Terrier, band dog, pocket bully. You feel me? Come on, let's go. Come on. He's violating. Oh, what's the matter, huh? What's the matter? Come here, Storm. See, Storm is the smartest dog out of those two right there, but they all getting it. They hard-headed though, but she's a smart. See, she stay by my side. See, right, Storm? Come here, Storm. Come here. Over here, Storm. Come here. You see? See how fast she come back to me? Come. Oh, come on. Let's go. See, that's Tookie right there. He's tired. Come here, Storm. Come here, Storm. Come here. Up. Walk. Walk. Come here. Come here, Storm. Walk. Turn around. Come on. Turn around. Walk. Run. 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 Stay right there. Yeah. Yeah. Come here, Storm. Up. Storm. Up. Come here. Come here, Storm. Storm. Up. Storm love to get pet. Up. Oh well. Look at that. He ran this way. Storm ran this way. Look at Smoke. Yeah. Smoke! Smoke! Come here, Smoke. Come here. See? He don't know his name, but Smoke did not know his name, so when he was a puppy, they'd be whistling and going. But he do know his name a little bit. It's not like Storm. I'll be calling her by her name. Tookie know his name. He's the only one know his name a little bit. But it's good though, right? Right? So y'all, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit notification, comment down below, share Storm video. You dig? Deuces, son.